It's a Sunday morning, just about 10 minutes past 7. We're here in Meadowview at the Loves in Virginia, right on I-81. So I finally get a little bit of rain, which is what I've been needing for a while. It'll help to rinse off the truck just at least a little bit. And it looks like it might be in rain all day, which would be super helpful. And we might run into some snow, because it's snowing north of us. You know, up around near DC, it'll probably be snowing later, so we'll see what it brings us. But for right now, a little bit of rain is not unwelcome to me. All right, we topped up our fuel. We still have about 3/4 of a tank, so I'm not going to worry about that today. We pretty much got rain all the way up to, at least most of the way up towards Tom's Bridge, or Tom's Brook, sorry.
In 400 feet, take the entrance to the right on I-81 North. In 300 feet.
So we're taking 81 all the way up. 267 miles. know, in an insane manner, so that's always a good thing. That woman could actually ride that dog, and it's almost as big as she is. I might as well not call it a dog, might as well just call it a horse. Right, change that to on duty, load check, tire check. Here we go. Yeah, let's take a quick peeky peek. Do our light test. Make sure they're all still working properly. Straps are doing good. All our lights on this side are working. Mud flap still attached. Got our tail lamp still working. All right. Everything is looking good. Nothing is out of sorts. Lights on the front are working. We are ready to go. And that's all it takes to do a load check. Check your tires, check your lights, make sure your load is stable. That's all it takes to do that, to be safe on the road. Okie dokie. Got off exit 291 here on I-81 northbound, eastbound, whatever they want to call it. So we are pretty much done our day as far as traveling is concerned, as far as driving. All right. So we're going to get ourselves the old parking spot here at the Loves. Because of the promotion that the Loves is doing right now, I was given diamond status. So basically I have a full month of free showers and free drink refills, which is always a nice thing. Looks like we got a couple spots over there, easy to park. They are still working on the parking lot here, expanding it. So if you look over to your left, they're going to have room for another maybe 70, well 50 to 70 new parking spots over here to the right, or to the left I mean. Now probably even a little bit more than that.